What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Just got home from the gym. Feeling strong, feeling fresh. Happy Sunday. Hope you're having a terrific weekend. We're going to go by our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 23,296, down 0.17 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 442 billion. 24-hour volume, 15.56 billion. Let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So a couple of scenarios. The bullish scenario is that we've completed our WXY XZ and we're starting to break out. And this is a wave 1 right here where we've come up in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback, and we're looking for that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 of a potential wave 1 of the wave 3 of the larger wave 3 of the larger wave 3. If you're new to Elliott Wave, there's some incredible videos here on YouTube that you can watch, and it will explain everything for you. Potentially the wave 2 correction isn't complete yet. However, it's quite a small correction here. So if we start to break out of this symmetrical triangle to the upside, that would be more confirmation we are putting in a wave 3, and we can give a measurement with a trend-based extension all the way up to the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 2. And your wave 3 would take you up to about 24.4K, basically come up to test these highs. And then you would put in a wave 4 correction. You'd see your wave 5 of the wave 1. All right, guys. So we have our larger wave counts here. Potentially, we're looking at a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, looking for a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 of the wave 3 in pink here, which is right here, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 of the larger wave 3 here, where we've had our wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback, and we're looking for that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and that will complete the wave 3 of our largest wave count, which is here in green. From the bottom, we've had our wave 1, our wave 2 pullback, and now we're putting in that larger wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. If we complete that larger 5-wave structure to the upside, which is in green here, that's more confirmation that the bottom is in for BTC. It's not my expectation, but of course anything is possible. Now let's look at the bearish scenario. If we do break down, then we're just continuing to go through a correction here and putting in our wave 2 pullback, and we can bounce off 22.1 or 21.5K, which is the golden ratio, and the 0.786. If we pop over to our next chart here, we are quite close to coming down to this trend line of support of our ascending channel that we've been watching. So it's pretty crucial for Bitcoin to hold the ascending support line, which is currently coming in at about 22.2K, and see a bounce, because if we do break down from this ascending channel, that's when we can come all the way back down to where we started, about 17.7K. If we do break out to the upside, we definitely could see a large breakout that could possibly take you above 29.4. But as I've been mentioning, I do think we're going through a wave 4 pullback and still looking for one more wave down in the market, and the maximum retracement for a wave 4 is 29.4K for BTC. But we also have major resistance to this wick low here at about 26K, where we could potentially see a rejection as well. We do have a bearish divergence on the money flow. We created a higher high while money was flowing out. Can be an early signal of a move back down, but it doesn't play out 100% of the time. So just something to keep in mind. If we look at this chart here, we have been watching this trend line, basically lines up with our ascending channel. We do have a technical target of this ascending triangle at 25.9K. We're still maintaining our short-term uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. And we have a nice little bull flag pattern here as well, which we are kind of starting to break out of. Depends where you take your measurement from. If you take your trend line from the wicks, and basically we're just starting to hit it as resistance. So if we do break out of this bull flag, could be a nice little trade. Yeah, basically take you right up to that wick low at 26K. So keep that in mind as well. And the last chart I want to show you guys here is here on the daily, just to show you guys the EMAs. Currently, we're right in between the 55 and the 20 EMA. If we do get back above them, hold them as support. It can be a bullish signal of continuation to the upside, but in a bear market, as I showed you guys in my previous video, they can be fake outs. This chart does not go back far enough. Should I use my bitstamp? Yeah, this is fine. So just ignore the analysis that's on here. I just want to show you guys the EMAs. Okay, so this is a previous bear market. So as you can see here, we broke back above the EMAs. We had the bullish cross. We did see a nice push, but then we broke below them once again in the bear market. and we came much lower. As you can see right here as well, we broke back above the EMAs, but then we came down once again. It definitely can be a large bullish signal. As you can see, we had the bullish cross right here. We had a huge breakout, had the bearish cross, and then basically you had the bullish cross once again. Huge breakout to the upside. So it can be a strong signal of a large breakout to the upside, but in a bear market, just be very cautious. Here's the bear market of 2018. As you can see, we broke above it. We had the bullish cross, but we broke below it once again right here as well. They were just relief rallies, bullish cross, we broke below it. So just keep in mind, in a bear market, it can easily be invalidated. But if we were to hold those EMAs, we see a large push and we come up and break this level of resistance of about 30,000. That could definitely be confirmation that the bottom is in for BTC. So that's basically it. Just a quick little update. If we break this symmetrical triangle, we come up, we break these highs, confirmation that we'll start to put in a wave 3. Just going to move these over of the wave 3, which could potentially take you up here to about, let's move this up a little bit. It was right around about 24.4K. But if we do get rejected and we break down, then we're still going through that wave 2 pullback, in my opinion, and we can come down to 22.1, 21.5, and potentially see a bounce off those levels. We've been making some juicy profits in the Discord. Currently, we have an ETH long trade, which is currently open in profit. Our Gala trade is in profit. Matic trade is in profit with a stop loss at break. Even if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's only 10 USD per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. A lot of channels charging 50, 100. Mine is only 10 USD, and you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can also see how the members are doing with the trade signals and with their own trades. Some of them are absolutely killing it. And you can sign up to the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial. That's where I do all my trading. And if you want to keep up with my personal life, you can follow me on IG. Make sure to use the link, which is in the description, because a lot of people create fake accounts. I only have one Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button. All right, take care. Much love.